Black Friday is coming and I'm about to show you 15 budget photography accessories that will transform your photos without breaking the bank. And I'm not talking about random gear here, these are proven tools that photographers actually use every day. Stick around because number 13 literally prevents hundreds of dollars of equipment damage for less than 10 bucks. Hey everyone, I'm Cesar, and as a product manager and photographer who's obsessed with efficiency, I've researched accessories to find the ones that deliver maximum impact for minimal investment. Today I'm sharing 15 items that actually cost less than your monthly coffee budget but will upgrade your photography game significantly. And I'm dividing this in sections. The first one is about lens protection and filters. Item number 1 is UV protection filter. So digital cameras don't really need UV filtration like film cameras did, but here's the reason professionals still use them. A quality UV filter acts as lens insurance, protecting your expensive glass from scratches, impacts, and environmental damage. Lens replacements could cost you hundreds of dollars, if not more, while a multi-coated UV filter costs a fraction of that. I've listed my recommendations for these items and the ones coming up in the description below with affiliate links. Next up, we have circular polarizing filter. These filters are absolutely game changers for outdoor photography. They reduce reflections from water and glass surfaces. They make the skies more dramatic by increasing contrast with clouds and boost color saturation across the entire image. Technical testing shows that a quality CPL can actually improve the contrast by about 30% and reduce reflections by about 90%. The key is getting one properly sized for the largest lens diameter. I talked about filters in depth in my video over here with a few more recommendations, so check it out. And this segues nicely into item number 3, which is step-up rings. Because here's a money-saving trick. These rings let you use the largest filter across multiple smaller lenses. Instead of buying a polarizer for each lens, buy one in 77mm for example, and then use step-down rings for your 67, 58, 52, whatever. This simple strategy can save you a lot of money per filter type. And the next type that I'm going to talk about is a variable ND filter. Variable neutral density filters control light exposure, essential for shooting in bright conditions or creating intentional motion blur. They function like adjustable sunglasses for your camera, offering 2 to 8 stops of light reduction in one filter or more. This eliminates the need for multiple fixed ND filters that would cost you hundreds as a complete set. Next up, we have a lens cleaning kit. A proper cleaning kit includes 3 essential tools: a rocket blower for dust removal, a lens pen for fingerprints and smudges, and a high-quality microfiber cloth. Clean lenses directly translate to sharper images. That's just basic physics. Now we're moving into lighting gear, and item number 6 is something every portrait photographer carries. But first, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more photographers who need these deals. So, section number 2. Lighting and modifiers. Item number 6 here is a 5-in-1 reflector disc. These collapsible reflectors provide 5 distinct light options in one tool. White for soft natural fill light, silver for bright contrasty reflection, gold for warm sunset style tones, black for negative fill for deepened shadows, and translucent center for diffusion. They fall down to 1/3 of their working size and can transform harsh light into beautiful professional looking portraits. Studio photographers charge lots of money per hour, partly because they understand lighting, and now you can too. Item number 7 is a mini LED panel light. Compact LED panels provide consistent, color accurate lighting for both photography and video work. Modern versions offer 3200 to 5600K in color temperature adjustment and stepless dimming from 1 to 100%. They are perfect for microphotography, product shots, or just adding fill light to portraits. There are internal and external battery power options out there. Item number 8 is a flash diffuser dome. These simple plastic domes transform harsh direct flash into soft, natural looking light. They work by spreading the flash output over a large surface area, reducing the harsh shadows and eliminating the dreaded deer in headlights look. Professional event photographers use this exclusively because they create consistent, flattering results in any environment. And if you really don't want to spend any money, what I would recommend is just to point your flash upwards and then you'll have a more even light. This can also get you out of tough situations when you forgot your diffuser, for example. So keep that in mind. Now we move on to section number 3, which is camera support and stability. Item number 9 is a mini desktop tripod. Compact tripods like the Manfrotto Pixie provide rock-solid support for cameras up to 2.2 pounds. And this, as with any other iPod, are essential for sharp photos in low light situations, also for long exposures and self-portraits. I use them for all of these options and I keep my webcam on one of these to keep it at my face level. The physics are simple. Camera shake is the #1 cause of blurry photos, and any stable support eliminates that problem. So look for models with smooth pan and tilt adjustment and a secure quick release plate system, if you want to go fancy. Item number 10 is a smartphone tripod mount. Universal phone adapters transform any tripod into a smartphone photography station. application. With new phone cameras now rivaling dedicated cameras in many situations, stable support becomes crucial for sharp images and smooth video. Quality mounts feature adjustable grips for different phone sizes and allow both portrait and landscape orientation. You can always go with the simplest option though, like just a phone grip like the one I have. They are essential for content creators shooting social media content or actually anyone serious about smartphone photography. Bonus point, I recently got the Ulanzi Maxi phone tripod and it's been great because I don't even have to clip my phone here. I just put it and it works. And in number 11 we have a Peak Design style wrist strap. Camera straps might seem basic, but they prevent expensive drops that not even your UV filters can save you from and provide shooting comfort during long sessions. Peak Design popularized the quick disconnect system. The wrist strap design keeps your camera secure while maintaining full mobility, crucial for street photography or travel situations where you need quick access. And now we move on to section number 4, which is storage and organization. And we start here with item number 11, which is a high-speed SD card. Storage cards are the foundation of digital photography, yet many photographers use inadequate cards that limit their camera's performance. Make sure you get one that actually lets you capture burst sequences without buffer delays and record 4K video without dropping frames. If you're shooting video, especially high-speed 4K video, the story changes a little bit. You'll need a V90 card, which is very expensive, so out of scope for this video, but you probably don't want to buy many different types of cards for your camera, so keep that in mind. And in number 13, we have the memory card case. You may not want to buy different types of cards for your camera, but you definitely want to buy plenty of them in case one fails. This item could save you hundreds of dollars in damage. Memory card cases protect your data storage from physical damage, moisture, and electromagnetic interference. Professional photographers never travel without organized card storage because losing a wedding or client shoot due to damaged cards can cost thousands of lost business and reputation damage. Simple plastic cases with foam inserts provide military-grade protection for very cheap. And in number 14 we have a camera bag insert. Padded camera inserts transform any backpack or messenger bag into professional camera gear storage. So you don't have to spend a lot of money on the bag itself because you probably already have a bag laying around. They provide custom compartments with movable dividers, protecting expensive equipment from impact and scratches. This approach costs significantly less than a camera bag, as I said, while offering more versatility for travel and daily use. Look for water-resistant materials and reinforced corners for maximum protection. We're almost at the finish line, but item 15 is something 90% of photographers overlook, yet is responsible for more missed shots than any technical limitation. Plus, I'll share with you later the exact Black Friday strategy that can save you additional money for everything we've covered. And section number 5 is creative tools. In here we have item number 15, our last one, which is a wireless remote shutter. Camera shake for pressing the shutter button ruins more potentially great photos than any other single factor. Wireless remotes eliminate this problem entirely, enabling sharp long exposures, perfect for self-portrait and wildlife photography without disturbing subjects. Modern versions work up to 100 feet away and include interval timer photos for time-lapse photography. They are essential for any situation where absolute sharpness matters. And again, if you really don't want to spend any money, you can use your camera's phone app to remotely trigger the shutter. So here's your Black Friday action plan. First, create accounts on all the stores that you normally use, like Amazon and B&H. It doesn't matter which ones, all of them if you want. Checkout speed matters when deals go live. Then bundle up purchases to hit free shipping thresholds, but calculate whether benefits like Amazon Prime's 2-day delivery justifies the membership costs. The sweet spot for photography deals historically occurs between November 24th to November 27th, with Cyber Monday extending digital accessory sales. Set price alerts for specific items rather than browsing randomly. It will also prevent you from impulse purchases and ensures you get genuine value. I've linked every item in the description, so if this video helped you plan your photography gear upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical photography content. I'm curious, which of these 15 items are you most excited to add to your kit? Let me know in the comment. Remember, great photography isn't about expensive gear, it's about understanding light composition and having the right tools to execute your vision. These 15 accessories give you professional capabilities without the professional price tag. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.